Hello friends, in the previous class we did some problems on what do you call it as criteria for similarity of triangles, that is AAA criterion theorem, SGHS criterion theorem and SGHS criterion theorem. We did 2 or 3 problems. Now we shall continue the how to solve the remaining problems. Before that, we shall do a small prayer. Okay? Yes, class, attention. 1 minute personal prayer. Break. Without knowing when reading. You have to observe the textbook. Textbook observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕು, ರಿಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ 44, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 44, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 6. Analyze it. Example 6. What is that in the figure? The problem is in the figure OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Very simple problem. Angle A equals angle C. We have to show that angle A equals angle C, angle B, that is angle D equals angle B. Angle B equals angle D or angle D equals angle B. So when it is possible, this is possible only when these two triangles are similar. This is possible only when these two triangles are similar. How do you show that these two triangles are similar? Consider 3 criteria. One is AAA criterion or SGHS criterion or SSS criterion. ಯಾವುದು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು? ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 pair of sides. Is it right? 2 pairs of sides are what you call it as they are having the same ratio, and if you find out one angle, equal angle, then what we can apply SGHS. So here there is no parallel, hence you cannot apply the AAA criterion, and you don't know about 3 sides, therefore you cannot say what is that SSS criterion theorem. But we can apply what is that SGHS criterion theorem. How it is? Let us take. What is the solution? We know that R it is given. So what? OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Write it in the ratio. Therefore bring OC to this side. OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. Go through that. OA by OC. OA this side, the side of this triangle. OC is the side of this triangle, and OA is OA by OC is equal to another one. OD by OB. OD belongs to this triangle, and OB belongs to this triangle. So now ratio take. These two ratios are equal. Now find out what is the corresponding angle. What is the corresponding angle? Corresponding angle andre enaagಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ the angle which includes these two sides, which is formed by these two sides. ಯಾವುದು? OA ಮತ್ತೆ OD angle O, OB ಮತ್ತೆ OC angle O. Is these two angles are equal? If you say it is SGHS criterion. Now O angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Why angle AOD equals angle BOC? Vertically opposite angles. So now here angle AOD is equal to angle what? AOD is equal to angle BOC. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC or COD. COD is better for it. COD. Angle AOD is equal to angle COD. Is it? So what? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore What is that? Angle, triangle AOD. Triangle AOD. Triangle AOD called similar to triangle what? AOD similar to triangle COD. Triangle AOD similar to triangle COD. So therefore, angle A equals angle COB. This is angle A equals angle C. Angle B equals angle B. Therefore, what is that? Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Or angle D equals angle B like this. So this is the way how we can use. This is SGHS criterion theorem. SGHS criterion theorem. According to this, the two sides are one angle. One angle of one triangle are equal to the one angle of the other, and the sides including those two angle, the two sides including the angle, or the sides including that angle are proportional to the sides including the equal angle. Then what? The two triangles are similar. How similar ಆಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this is one problem. Students, let us take the next problem. Page number again 44. Example 7. So now what is the problem? A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds. Now observe, and by analyzing the problem, you draw a figure. What is that figure? Let us draw a lamp post. Lamp post. You draw a straight line, lamp post, and a child, a girl. Is it right? And she used to start from the lamp post. She used to walk from the lamp post. She started to walk from the lamp post and moves away from the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Is it right? 1.2 meter per second. Her height is 90 centimeter. They have given. Is it right? And she will stand. She after traveling certain distance. Is it right? So how many seconds she will travel? She travels 4 seconds and she will stop. At that position, she forms a shadow. Since here is the lamp post. Lamp post means they could come past 10. The lamp post, here is the lamp. Now she creates a shadow in this direction. What is that? C is the length of her shadow. Now you require to find out what is the length of her shadow. Is it right? So ಇದರ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದು ಏನೇನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. What is AB? AB is height of the lamp post. Height of the lamp post. What they have given is, how much they have given? 3.6 meters. It is 3.6 meters. Let height AB be the height of the lamp post, and CD height of the girl. Height of the girl, how much? 90 centimeter. Convert this one into meters. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? How many centimeters is equal to 1 meter? 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Therefore divide this one by 100. 90 by 100. So this is how much? 0.9 meters. 0.9 meters. That is the height of the child or a girl. Next one, AC, distance travel by the girl at 1.2 meter per second for 4 seconds is equal to is equal to, you see, distance traveled by the girl at 1.2 meter per second at the speed. At a speed 1.2 meter per second and for 4 seconds. 4 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೈಮ್. Speed into time. 1.2 into 4, 4.8 meters. She travels 4.8 meters. Now, what is AB? 3.6. AC is 4.8. This is 0.9. Now, what is that C? Length of the shadow. Length of the shadow. This is, we don't know, you require to find out, let it be x. Is it? Let it be x. Now take in triangle ABC and CDE, show that they are similar. After showing that similarity, you take the ratio of the sides, you will get the answer. So triangle ABE and CDE, triangle ABE and CDE. How do you show that they are equilateral? Very simple. Angle E equals angle E common. You know that AB and CD are standing vertically to the ground, vertically to that of the ground. Hence, this is 90 degree, 90 degree. These two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. When it is so, these two angles are equal. Angle B equals angle D. Angle C equals angle A, corresponding angles. Hence, those two triangles are equiangular. According to AAA criterion theorem, they are similar. We shall take it off. In triangles ABE and CDE. In triangles ABE and CDE. So, what is that? Angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. These are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Why? Because AB parallel to CD. Next, angle E is equal to angle E. Why? They are common. Angles are common. Therefore, what is that? Angle triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE. Why? AAA criterion theorem. According to AAA criterion theorem, they are similar. Now write AB by CD here. AB by CD is equal to AB by CD is equal to, what is that? AE by CD, like this. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ AE by C. Why I have not taken BE by CD? BE by D ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ? ನಾವು BE and D, ನಮಗೆ B ಮತ್ತು D ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. We have taken this. Now what is AB? 3.6. What is CD? 0.9. That will be equal to AE is AC plus C. That means 4.8 plus X divided by X. Now simplify, you will get the answer. How can we simplify this? Simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. So ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now, how do you simplify this? So, ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. On cross multiplication, this is 3.6 x is equal to 4.8 plus x into 0.9. Is it? So ಇದನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3.6 x is equal to 4.8 into 9. How much? 9 8s are 72, 2 carry 7, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 7. How much? 43. Keep the 4.32 plus 0.9 into x, 0.9x. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3.6 minus 0.9x, 3.x minus 3.6x minus 0.9x is equal to 4.32. You see? Subtract ಮಾಡಿ. 36 minus 9, how much? 16 minus 9. 7. Put the decimal here, it is 3. Here it is 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 2.7 equals 4.32. 2.7x equals 4.32. Cross multiply x equals 4.32 by 2.7. Now simplify this. Again you will simplify. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. x equals 432 by 1 decimal 2 digit ನಮ್ಮದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 digit ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 270 ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. You will get the answer. How many times? 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಥವಾ 3 ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 9s are 27, 90. 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 4s are 9 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 9 1s are 9 1s are. Is it right? So 9 10s are, yes, 9 1s are 9. How much left? 5 left, 54. 9 6 are, this is 16 by 10, 1.6 meters. This is 1.6 meters. So what is that? That the length of the shadow is, answer not temporary, length of the shadow is equal to 1.6 meters. Length of the shadow equals 1.6 meters. So this is the way how we can solve. Is it right? So now we should stop here the working examples. Now let us pass on to exercise. Exercise over. We shall take up exercise. Exercise 2.3. Turn it. Exercise 2.3. So what is that? State which pair of triangles in the figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So now the first figure, you are required to say they have given 1 2 3 4 5 6 pairs of triangles. In that 6 pairs of triangles, which pair of triangles are similar, and for that your answer, what is the criterion that you have used? You are required to write it, and as well as, so now and also what you are required to do is write them in the symbolic form. Andre idare ABC similar to DEF ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, similarity ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So first one ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 80 60 80 40. Two triangles are equiangular, hence they are similar. Angles of one triangle are angles of the other, hence they are similar. ನೋಡೋಣ AAA criterion theorem. Second one ನೋಡಿ corresponding sides AB is correspond to QR there. AB is correspond to QR. Tilt ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ AB should come on QR. ಎ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 2/4, that is 1/2. Next, AC by PQ 3/6, that is 1/2. And then BC by RP 2.5/5, that is also 1/2. The ratio remains same. Hence those two triangles are also similar. ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಸಿ ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಪಿ is similar to CBA. QRP triangle QRP ನೋಡಿ, QRP is similar to ABC triangle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ PRQ, QRP ಬದಲಾಗಿ PRQ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ CBA triangle they are similar. ಆ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ LM. ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2.7 ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, 3 2s 2 2s ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. therefore ಅಲ್ಲಿ sides are not, the ratio of the sides are not equal, hence they are not similar. Next fourth one, you observe the fourth one ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ M ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ Q, ಆಂಗಲ್ M ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ Q. ಆಮೇಲೆ MN ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ MN ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ QP, MN ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ QP ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಸ್ 1/2, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ML ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ QR 5/10, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1/2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1/2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ one angle is equal, and the sides which are containing that angle are proportional to the sides. Is it right? The sides which are containing again angle Q. So therefore those two triangles are similar. Why? According to SGHS criterion. Next for fifth one you come. Fifth one ನೋಡಿ 80 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 80 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 80 ಆಯಿತು, ಹೌದಾ? ಆದರೆ 80 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ? ಆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈಡ್ಸೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, 80 70 30. ಹಿಯರ್ 8 + 30 110 + 70 ಅದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್, ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, 8 7 15 ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ 8 7 15 180ನಲ್ಲಿ 130 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 150 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 30 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 + 30 110, 180ನಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 70 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ therefore you go through that. You are required to write 2.3 first main. Second main I will take up in the second class, next class. Okay, thank you very much. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ. ಆದರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.